Hey, it's Jeremy with EnergyLink. We're out here at the new shelter insurance building. As you can see, there's 300 kW solar array behind me. This is a part of their new addition to their facility that they just added about a year ago. This system will be up and running for the new data storage facility that they are running out of this building. It's the largest system on Columbia Water and Light's grid for a end-user customer perspective. So Shelter will see a significant reduction in their usage, their kilowatt hours. They will self-consume. This is a PERPA interconnection agreement where it's over the allowed net metering. This facility is going to be using enough power to where it will self-consume and realize the savings from the system entirely without losing any of its production. The carbon emissions will be significantly reduced. They also were able to take advantage of the Columbia Water and Light solar rebate, which will help reduce the realized cost of this project. If you have any questions about this project or any other services that EnergyLink can offer, visit our website at www.goenergylink.com.